Good morning, Saugus. I'm Cole Stadler, and today is Wednesday, November 19th.
And I'm Austin Judd. This is SNN.
For today's Fact of the Day, we thought we'd tell you about National Carbonated Beverage Day with caffeine.
These fizzy drinks date back to the 1800s when pharmacists first mixed carbonated water with flavored syrups, and sometimes caffeine as a pick-me-up. Over the years, soda fountains became popular social hangouts, and caffeinated sodas grew into one of the biggest beverages industries in the world.
Today, caffeinated carbonated drinks come in all kinds of varieties: colas, citrus sodas, and even energy-styled sodas. And while some folks swear they can't get through a single homework assignment without one, others just enjoy the occasional bubbly treat.
So whether you love a classic soda, prefer the modern energy fizz, or just want a fun fact to share, today is your chance to appreciate the science, history, and pop culture behind these bubbly beverages. Just remember, Saugus, stay energized, not overcarbonated or caffeinated. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Make sure to be considerate of Saugus's neighbors and community on your way to and from school. Do not walk through people's yards, touch people's property, or move trash cans to park.
FBLA is hosting Toys for Tots until December 10th. Every unwrapped toy donated amounts to 1 service hour. You can drop off toys in room C301.
The PAD Project Drive is accepting donations of menstrual products until this Friday, November 21st. Each item is worth 1 service hour. Item drop-off is in the library during school hours.
The Saugus Guitar Program will be hosting concerts today and tomorrow at 7 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. Tickets are $5 ahead of time and $10 at the door.
Juniors, if you're interested in attending American Legion's California Boys and Girls State this summer in Sacramento, there will be an informational meeting tomorrow at lunch in the NPR for more information on how to apply. Now, let's go to Cash Overturf with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Cole. Good morning. I'm Cash Overturf with today's Saugus Sports Update. Tomorrow, girls soccer plays Thousand Oaks. JV plays at 5 and varsity plays at 7. This Friday, football plays in the CIF semifinals at 7 p.m. at Apple Valley High School. If you are interested in attending the game, tickets are $15 for a bus ride to the game, a Jersey Mike's dinner, and entry into the game. Spots are limited. The bus will leave Saugus at 4 p.m. You can purchase tickets in the ASB office. Good luck to our Centurion athletes. Congratulations to girls basketball for winning 49-46 at Chaminade in their season opener Monday night. Boys tennis tryouts will be tentatively this tomorrow at 3 on the Saugus tennis courts. Remember to bring your tennis racket, athletic shoes, and water. Stay tuned to changes due to the weather. It might rain. The first ever intramural football turkey bowl tournament will continue today on the football field at lunch. Teams will consist of 4 players, and there will be a division for both boys and girls. Sign-up sheets are in the ASB office. Incredible prizes will be awarded to the winning teams. If you're not officially signed up, show up to the football field with your team and you will be entered into the tournament. Good luck. That's all from me. To inspire you to contribute to your Thanksgiving meal, let's go to Taylor Deersted with another edition of our series, Cooking with Thanksgiving Dishes.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Taylor Deersted, and with this next edition of Cooking With, we'll be making one of my mom's home famous Thanksgiving side dish, mashed potatoes. First, before you start mixing anything together, you'll need to wash your hands. Scrub-dub-dub, Saugus. For the ingredients for this mashed potatoes recipe, you'll need 2 pounds of potatoes, 3 cloves of garlic, peeled, 1 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, and salt and pepper to taste. Some people peel potatoes, but I prefer to leave the skins on for better nutrition. Now that we have all of our ingredients, it is now time for us to first wash the potatoes and cut them into quarters. Now, place the potatoes and garlic into a pot and fill it with room temperature water. Now, cover the pot with a lid and bring it to a boil. Note that you will need to reduce the flame when it comes to a boil because it will eventually want to boil over. Now, let it boil for about 20 minutes or until a fork goes into the potato easily. When the potatoes are almost ready, heat the milk and butter in another saucepan. Make sure that the milk and butter do not boil, but are hot enough to melt the butter and warm the milk. The potatoes are ready. Now, let's drain the potatoes. Now slowly add the milk mixture to the pot and mash with a potato masher. Or if you don't have a potato masher, you can use an electric hand mixer. Mash until smooth and creamy. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and place a slice of butter on top when you're done. This mashed potato recipe is a wonderful side dish for your Thanksgiving meal. This has been Taylor Deersted. Now, let's go back to our anchors.
Thanks, Taylor. That looks delicious. I wish you would have brought some to share.
Today, Justin's will be on the outdoor stage during brunch and lunch for you to pick up any special graduation orders, including announcements and swag.
The Martin Luther King Jr. Unity Walk Essay Contest will be accepting submissions through December 1st. To enter, you must write a 1,000-word essay on how nonviolent actions can heal a divided nation. For more information on how to submit, scan the QR code above.
FBLA will be selling Thankful Grams until tomorrow. If you are interested in purchasing one, you can get a Thankful Gram for $2 in the quad at lunch. Thankful Grams will be distributed this Friday, the 21st.
The Santa Clarita Scholarship Foundation is now accepting applications through January 16th. For more information on how to apply, go to scvsf.org. That's all for today. I'm Cole Stadler. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Austin Judd. Have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow.